I'm taking it back to the Fast and the Furious days.
Buckle up, Buttercup!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my channel for any amount of time, you know that I'm not freshly into cars. I've been into cars pretty much my entire life. My mom was into vehicles, my dad was into cars, so naturally I got into cars, and I'm going to throw it back to my first car when I was 16 years old. I had a 2000 Toyota Celica. And I got this car right when Fast and the Furious was really popular. And I feel like the car scene was popping. I mean, the days of cruising the roads with your friends, you know, you did all the mods, you did all that cool stuff. But one thing that every vehicle had was Street Glow. And that's what today's video is all about, believe it or not. You might think I'm absolutely crazy that I'm going to put Street Glow on this Bronco. Well, big news, I already did it. Why would you put that old school tubing on your Bronco? This is an off-road vehicle, especially yours. It's not a mall crawler. And that's kind of the same thoughts I had, but not trying to show my age, but it has been over 20 years since I've even looked at Street Glow. And naturally, it has evolved. And it's not just those tubular things. They actually have LED strips. But I want to tell you a couple reasons why I went with Street Glow. I've had 2 boxes of rock lights sitting in my garage that I needed to install. I've always talked about, oh, I'm gonna do it. I just never have done it. And that's really because any rock lights I've ever seen on a vehicle, I do not like. I don't like seeing the light bulb in it and projecting and almost like blinding people on the road. I don't wanna do that. And I know technically, depending where you live, those kinds of things are illegal to use on the road, even if it's just, you know, plain white color. I have been so pleased with the results of this kit that I kind of created that I'm going to offer a Street Glow Bronco kit on my website at Buckle Up Offroad. But first, let me show you what this kit is all about. Let me turn the camera around. Here's the Street Glow kit. It doesn't look like the Street Glow you probably remember as a teenager, but these are LED strips. At first, I was a little hesitant about using this and putting it on the Bronco, strictly because this is an off-road vehicle and I do take it off-road, so it does go through that rugged use of what you think a Bronco would go through. Now, if you're someone that doesn't do a lot of off-roading and you like going to car shows, or, you know, it's just your daily driver, you may not think it's that big of a deal, but I'm like, okay, this is put on with 3M tape. I'm like, oh, it's tape? That gonna stand up to what I need it to? And there are screws and everything that you can screw in on the end. I don't think I did that actually. I just used the 3M tape. And this stuff is strong. So I have tested. I went to Windrock and I went to a lot of off-road places in Florida, rain, you name it. I've done it all. And this stuff is strong. So strong, in fact, that I damaged one of my flares, and I took the flare off and replaced it with, you know, the same set of flares that I had. And I tried to take that strip off and I couldn't. And I asked Jim, I'm like, hey, can you help get this off? We could not get it off. That thing is so strong. So if you are not familiar with 3M tape, that stuff is extremely strong and it is going to stay. I was so surprised and pleased with my results of the Street Glow kit. I decided to kind of package a Bronco Street Glow kit for you guys if this is something you're interested in. I went with white lighting because I'm using this for off-road use, not so much like show use. I don't need all the colors. There are like solid color options, RGB, and then white. So I just went with a solid white because that's gonna be pretty much the brightest color in my opinion. And when I take this out on the trail, I want that whole perimeter of the vehicle lit up, especially when I'm going to the camper in the middle of the night. It just really makes things easier, you know, packing stuff from the Bronco to the camper, vice versa, the kids and everything like that. At the end of this video, I'm actually gonna show you real life footage of this on the trails and, you know, just how great this light portrays. Obviously, I can't do that right now because it's light out, but I am going to be going down there in just a couple hours. The Bronco kit is an 8-piece kit. So you're gonna have 2 of these long strips that are gonna go on the side of the Bronco. And then you're gonna have 4 light strips that are gonna go into the wheel well of the Bronco. And yes, I need to clean Buttercup because it's muddy. And then you will get 2 more strips for the front and the back. And then there's gonna be extra wiring harnesses. So if you wanna add more lighting, like I did right here for the intercooler, you're able to add more lighting as well. You can, of course, wire these to your aux switches. I did not do that this time. You're probably gonna laugh because if you remember OG Buttercup, I had a bunch of these kind of things dangling down and I had an aux switch up here. But I decided to just go ahead and run this with an extra switch because I may wanna keep it on all the time when the vehicle is not on, because when you use the aux switches, the vehicle has to be like in accessory mode for you know, the lights to be in use. And I don't necessarily want that, especially if I'm out on the trails and I'm just chilling or something. I may want the lights on for a long period of time, and it's not really something I want to keep in accessory mode. But that's kind of the gist of this whole Bronco Street Glow Kit that I'm going to be offering on my website, 𝔽𝕠𝕝𝕝𝕠𝕨. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to check out the website. I have a lot of different color options. You can do solid colors if you are one that has, you know, just a solid accent color choice for your Bronco. You know you want a red one or whatever. I have that. And then I also have RGB if you want a lot of different color options at any moment. That comes with like a Bluetooth module and it's controlled by your app. The solid color strands are going to be brighter than the RGB strips. But I'm gonna wait a few hours till it gets a little more dark out. I'm gonna head down to Fort Myers to the off-road park and I'm gonna show you just how bright the Street Glow Kit really is. Now it's time to test the Street Glow lights out here on the trails. We're at the off-road park and I'm gonna show you how much this increases your visibility. You may think, well, when you're driving off-road, do you really need to see all around you? Not really. I mean, there are some circumstances, like if it's really pitch black, no moon, no stars, and you're in the middle of nowhere, you may want that extra lighting. But I feel like this is really good for those overlanders and campers like myself. We're camping every other week, and sometimes we get to the camper late, and you know, we're not by the city where we get a lot of light or anything like that. So popping on the Street Glow and letting the fam get out, get into the camper, and being able to see the surroundings, make sure there's no snakes or anything in the grass, is really, really helpful. But enough of me rambling, let's hit the trails. I turned off all of the lights on the Bronco except the Street Glow, and you can really see the difference that the Street Glow makes. You're getting pretty much a 360 perimeter view of the ground in the middle of the night. Look at that. You got a nice lit up wheel well. This is good if you ever needed to change your tire if you're off-road and get yourself into a little accident, which we hope, you know, that never happens. Here's the view from the driver's seat. And this is when the Street Glow really shines for me. I pull up to the camper. As you can see, I have so much visibility than if I didn't. In fact, I'm going to show you the difference with the Street Glow on and the Street Glow off. Yes, I'm outside. This is a huge difference because it's a completely black screen. I put the flash on the camera because as you could just see 2 seconds ago, it was completely black. You couldn't see anything, but I am here and there is a huge visible difference. So can Street Glow be used instead of rock lighting? 100% yes. In fact, I kind of like the looks of it a little bit better. It really goes around the whole perimeter and the strips are really easy to hide where you don't see like a blaring light right in your face. Be sure to go to 𝔽𝕠𝕝𝕝𝕠𝕨.com to get your Bronco Street Glow Kit. We have them in all the colors, RGB, you name it. That's gonna wrap it up for this video because I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Until next time, buckle up, Buttercup.
Buckle up.